Hello YouTube and welcome to Heathen Hacks. Welcome to episode 2 of this series where each video would contain 5 random things that I always use. Let's go! First up on the list are screwdrivers. For screwdrivers, we have 3 categories that would depend on your use case. Precision screwdrivers, normal-sized screwdrivers, and screwdriver bit set. Now let's start with precision screwdrivers. These are for various electronic devices such as mobile phones, laptops, clocks, security cameras, and a lot more. These things are the ones that are small and have various bits and pieces. They're usually sold as a kit or set, like my Oria 142-in-1 Tech Toolkit. Click right here to check it out, by the way. Dealing with a lot of electronic devices with different use cases and more often than not, made in different countries, having such a screwdriver set would really help. You may not have the need to use all of the bits on a daily basis, but you would definitely be glad to have them when a use for it arises. Moving on to the normal or usual size screwdrivers, depending on your use case, you may be able to get by just having a pair of Phillips and negative bit ones. But sometimes it would be handy to have other bits as well, because some appliances or devices use different bits. And compared to the precision screwdriver set that we have discussed earlier, these ones are for your typical home appliances, furnitures, and the like. These are often bigger and have longer necks? Are they called that? Hold on, let me check. Oh, they're called a shank apparently. They are also more durable due to their size and can handle more beating because of their purpose. Onto the screwdriver bit set, this one is optional. They're used in conjunction with a wireless drill to screw and unscrew things faster. A few years back, I've uploaded a video unboxing and demo of my super cheap wireless screwdriver that comes with a set of bits. Click right here to check it out, by the way. Since its batteries are already degrading, I've decided to give it away and just bought a wireless drill to use for both fastening, screwing, and drilling things. More on that later. Wireless drills. Wireless drills are not only for drilling on wood, metal, and aluminum. Aluminum?
Go fight each other in the comments over this one. I don't know.
Depending on the features of the one you will buy, they can also be used for screwing as well. This is the one that I have. It's a Makita DF331D cordless drill driver. It has its own storage box, a charger, and 2 batteries. It also came with a drill bit set when I bought it during a sale. And obviously, the brand doesn't matter. Just buy the one from the brand that you trust and buy the one that you think would fit your use case. I bought it 2 years ago and have used it on multiple projects and tasks around the house. Digital multimeter. It doesn't matter if you're an electrician, have a degree in electronics or not. If you own electronic things, you should have one. This is really useful for troubleshooting electronic devices or appliances. Heck, if you know what you're doing, you can even use it on power outlets to make sure that it's providing the correct voltage to your appliances, or to make sure that it has power when your devices that needs to be plugged into an outlet are not working. Soldering iron. Partnered with the soldering lead, soldering irons are used for bonding 2 joints or contact points together to connect them. Let's say your wired headset's cable that is connected to your computer suddenly got ripped off from its PCB when you went to the bathroom because you forgot to take them off. To be able to still use your headset without taking it to a repair shop or buying a new one, in most cases, you will need a soldering iron to reconnect it back to its PCB. Yep, it's that easy. Yet another troubleshooting thing, here we have a USB tester. This device is mainly used to check and monitor the voltage, amperage, and/or power draw of a device that requires a USB connection to be charged or turned on. Also, depends on the brand and model, you can even see how much time a device needs to be fully charged, because some of them, like this one in particular, records the elapsed time since the device was connected and required power to charge. It is used to determine if a device like a mobile phone is getting the correct voltage and amperage from a power source, whether it's from a power brick or a power bank. It can also be used to make sure that the charger or power brick's stated specs are correct. In most cases, when the charging duration of our mobile phone suddenly increases, we're not sure if the problem is because of the mobile phone itself, a faulty USB cable, or the charger. Using a USB tester is a good way to find out which is which. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again next week. Maybe.